Hello everyone, my name is Jose Serrano, owner and founder of J A Serrano Construction. We are a general contractor and with us a lot of house remodels, kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, siding replacement, new decks replacement and repairs, exterior paint and interior paint, additions, new constructions, and more. My crew is very knowledge and experience on the projects. They know exactly every step on the work and they know exactly what they do. Based on the knowledge, I trust on them to do their job right. Our company has the EPA and LEED certification. With this certification, we're good to remove chemicals from the old houses, such as lead paint and asbestos. You should use my company because we are competitive on prices and we have the expertise on the job. We have the experience to do the work. We focus on the small details. We work with the customer together and make the work smooth. Always we are on the job and that way we can answer the questions of the customers. We communicate very well with the customers and make sure they know what's going on all the time. When I was young, I was watching the guys working on construction and I started to this project. After that, I started work with a contractor and he gave me the opportunity to work with him. So after many years working with him, he gave me the option to start work and take care of the jobs by myself. When the pandemic came, the work started to slow down, so I decided to start my own company. In 2021, officially I get my contractor license and I start work for myself. At this time, I have 3 years already on the market and I have 9 guys working with me. We work in all Bay Area, from Marin County to Sonoma County and Napa County. Also, we work in Solano County. The experience do the difference. If you are ready to hire us, give us a call.